Mojo personalizes genuine FDM printing and redefines what a 3D printer can do, with ease of use and reliability at a price never seen before. Mojo is so easy to set up and use. You just unpack it, put it on your desk, and plug it in. You'll begin printing real, durable ABS plastic parts immediately. We've refined the engineering of FDM to reduce cost without sacrificing the integrity of genuine FDM technology. Mojo uses our new Quick Pack print engine with the snap-in print head that's as simple to use and quick to change as an inkjet cartridge. And each spool has 80 cubic inches of material, so you'll be changing material cartridges less often, and you'll have more uninterrupted printing. With the Mojo Print Wizard software, it's extremely easy to process files to print. Mojo Print Wizard gives you graphical, intuitive user choices for orientation, support style, and scaling parts.
Mojo prints with incredible fine feature detail, so the real ABS plastic parts that Mojo prints aren't just strong, durable, and lightweight, but they look great right out of the printer. We've created a new easy support cleaning system that comes with every Mojo 3D print pack. The WaveWash 55 is so easy to use thanks to the EcoWorks tablet detergent. It makes support removal hands-free and eco-friendly.
Mojo opens up a new world of possibilities for you and your designs.
My name is Linksys. I'm a creative engineer. I grew up in Pennsylvania. My father had a factory and my grandfather had an amazing workshop. I was lucky enough to spend a lot of time in both, and I really got a strong inclination and desire for electronics and making and collecting things. And it's like, you know, I'm already a 3D modeler and animator. Why don't I just get a 3D printer and I'll be able to take my ideas right from a model right to physical manifestation. You have to consider what you want to do with the thing you're making and what materials you use to do that. I want to make a robot that can do visual effects, motion, camera control. In particular here, the prototype was done in ABS. While I can make this prototype and test it and know that the piece fits perfectly and it moves like it is, to do real work, it needs to be more durable. And now I'm going to print it on the Cube Pro using nylon. My advice to you if you're just starting out in 3D printing is read the manual. You need to read the manual. Whether you think you need to read the manual or not, you need to read the manual. My name is Linksys, and I'm a creative engineer.
we're proud to announce not one, but two new products of the Robo family, the Robo C2 and the Robo R2 3D printers.
Each one set to redefine the boundaries of 3D printing.
We've really built the industry's wish list 3D printers. Everything from best-in-class print sizes, the ability to print in 20 plus materials, class-leading print speeds at 250 millimeters a second, removable print beds, built-in color touchscreens, as well as built-in Wi-Fi with a smartphone app for wireless printing. All this and plenty more.
So we really built these printers from the inside out. We wanted to be structurally sound and robust, so you could print fast, you could print big, and you could print with any type of material out there.
When we were building this new line of machines, our intention was really to put all the technology and devices that we see in smart electronics into this new line of machines.
What inspires me about the technology that we work with is how easy it can be to use. So we designed the C2 and the R2 to be a full out-of-the-box experience. Pull the printer out, a quick 5-minute setup, and you're ready to print.
We really want these products to be an extension of your personality and of your life. So as you grow as a designer, as you grow as a creator, we want this product to stand there with you and really help and support you along that line.
We've come a long way over the last couple of years. We were just a few guys in a garage trying to build a business, and now we're a team of over 30.